Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thank you for stopping in for another special STEAM STEM project. Today we're making air blasters. It's really simple, guys. So you need one cup, one balloon, a pair of scissors, and of course, like we ask of you all the time, while we appreciate that you love science, whenever you need help, especially using scissors, do not hesitate to ask for help from your parents, older sibling, caretaker, or guardian. Okay? So, that's pretty much what you need. And now also other things you may try with your air blaster. You want to try to blast maybe some leaves. Oh, we have those. We also have a couple of paper clips. We have some big pom-poms. And we also have tissue paper, okay? So we're going to try to put together, our blaster right now. And always, if you make a project at home and you want to show us what you've done, do not hesitate. Please send all pictures of your finished projects to www.plainfieldlibrary.info. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. First, now, you want to put a hole in the cup. Okay, so that's the hole that's already cut out. Now what I did, I traced a penny. So I made that circle. And of course with your scissors, just cut around until your circle is clear and cut out. Okay? So be very careful. It may be a little tricky. That's when you need help, okay? So that's the first thing. And of course you're going to do that on the bottom of your cup. Then you take a balloon, make sure you stretch it out. Also, if you have to blow it up, do that too. Okay, so we can stretch it. Oh, I'll tell you, I had such it was a trial stretching it out, but I hope you have better luck than I did. Okay, so anyway, so taking our scissors, let's see how the balloon, the round part of the balloon, you want to cut the bottom. All right. Cut the bottom, just like that, and then right here, this is where you put the balloon on, this end right here. So I had to have assistance. I'm going to try it here. I'm going to put this right here and see if I can stretch it. But if I can't, I will let you know. If you need a second pair of hands so you can hold the cup straight, by all means. Okay? Shout out to Miss Mary Lou who helped me out. Now, this is pretty uneven, but you want, so you have the hole is free and you have the balloon covering the opening. So when it's smooth, it'll look just like this. Okay? So that is the end of it. Now if you're using a white cup, of course, by all means, if you want to decorate it with markers, stickers, you can do that. Alright, so now we're going to put it to the test. Now what makes this science? Well, what is moving air? Is it wind? Very good. So this is actually making moving air. Now, can you see air? Think about it. Can you see air? Look out the window. Is the air moving? Well, how would you know? Trees moving, that's right. Grass moving. Maybe coats moving. Exactly. Hair, right? If your hair is moving, right? Because that's the air moving through, and when the force, um, as it travels, it's making everything move. Correct. Okay. So we got that. And now, so this is pretty much is the same principle. So what makes the air is when you push this back, there's a round chute of air that will go through that will move objects. So we're gonna try the leaves first. Let's see what happens. Okay, and I'm gonna put this closer here. Do you see the leaves? All right. And I'm gonna pull this back. Wow. All right, so those moved. Let's see what else. Gonna try our pom-poms. A little bit. You pull it all the way back. Okay. Those move too. Now we're gonna try our tissue paper. Okay, so that worked. Let's try our paper clips. All right. Let's see if those. Okay. Now, the paper clips did not work. So that's a lesson too. You know what moves, how much wind, how much moving air do you need to move one object or another, okay? And also, you know, can you, once again, you can see the effects of the air, but just like outside, it's invisible to our eyes, okay? You can try, once again, you can try leaves, you can try pom-poms, tissue paper. If you have a deck of cards, you can do that. Or even if you have dominoes, you can try those. But of course, do all of this with permission. Absolutely. So guys, that is our air blaster. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And it's so easy, yet so scientific. All right. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining me again for another STEM project. This is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Wherever you're at, stay curious, stay scientific, and be safe. So long for now.